Hey, what's up guys? Pasay Baller here. So tapos na tayo ng NHL, tapos NBA naman, naka All-Star break. So dito naman tayo sa Philippine Basketball Association, okay? So let's talk about PBA. We have two games. So umpisa natin sa una, syempre. This is Rain or Shine, Elasto Painters going up against Meralco Bolts. Alright? Let's talk about the standings first. Meralco Bolts, they are number 2 in the PBA. So, number 2 sila. For those who don't know, by the way, PBA has 12 teams. So, Meralco Bolts, they are number 2 overall with the record of 4 wins and 1 loss. Meralco Bolts, galing sila sa talo against Northport. I was watching that game. Grabe, ganda ng laro ng Meralco. Lamang sila ng almost 18, 19 ata yun. I was in SM. I was having coffee with my aunt, with my two aunts. And then we were just talking. Siguro konting kwentuhan lang. And then pagtingin ko ng score, man, tabla na ata yun. So, grabe yung game na yun. So, yung kalaban naman nila is Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Rain or Shine is currently at number 9 in the standings. Again, there are just 12 teams in the league. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, they have a record of 3 wins and 4 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, they're coming off that loss. And yung talo nila na yun galing sa Alaska Aces. Okay, so by the way, yung laban na to, 4 o'clock p.m. and that this will be in Smart Araneta Coliseum. For those who would come there live, just make sure that, you'll be bringing all safety stuff, mask, lahat. Dali nyo na yung vaccination card nyo lahat para makapasok at walang problema pagdating ninyo ng Araneta. Okay. Not sure if you guys have been following PBA lately, pero napapanood ko talaga to ever since nung dati bago pa nagkaroon ng stop and then nag-resume siya. Man, Meralco Bolts, they are really looking good. I know Magnolia yung number 1 and Meralco is number 2. Yung pagkakasunod na yan, solid yan. Tamang-tama yan. For me, Meralco Bolts is number 2 team talaga ngayon sa PBA. Mainly because of their import, si Bishop. Grabe yung Bishop aside from his capability to score, his defense, yung one-on-one defense niya, perimeter defense, sobrang ganda. He's not like the big import like Hester or Ashaolu na makipagbungguan sa loob, na-rebound, hindi. Pang perimeter defense siya. Although he can also defend. He can also grab those rebounds, pero more on sa, again, perimeter siya. Grabe din yung shooting niyan. Parang pag nalibre yan, lista mo na. Kaya wag niyong iiwan yan. Now, for Rain or Shine, we all know si Walker, yung nagdadala ng scoring nila. He's being backed up by the guards na nandoon sa Rain or Shine. So, andyan yung, actually, bagong-bago si Nieto, di ba? Natulong na yan. Mocon, yan. Yan yung mga umi-score talaga sa kanila. Actually, kalat din naman. Santillan, Karakut, even Torres. Nakakatuwa din sa Torres makita na sa isang laro, parang lagi na siyang merong tres. So, nag-improve talaga yung 3-point shooting na Torres. Every year yan, talagang obviously yan yung hinahasa niya. Unfortunately for this particular matchup, yung Meralco kasi grabe yung offense nila. If titingnan mo yung lineup nila, lahat yan, scorer. 'Di ba? Walang basketball player doon or walang player doon sa Meralco na naging player siya because of defense. Lahat yun, umi-score talaga. That's the defense. That's the problem because Rain or Shine, they offer very good defense, but in terms of their offense, medyo nalilimitahan talaga ako. So doon nagkakatalo. Yes, they can give very good defense, but Meralco has a superior offense. Tapos magkakatalo kasi wala naman din masyado. Very limited, again, yung scoring options ng Rain or Shine. Para bang pagkapangit yung scoring ng import mo, parang matik talo na. Although normally ganun, pero di ba sometimes merong ibang teams na meron mo nang kaya mag-step up habang nagkakalat si import, yun yung medyo missing ng Rain or Shine. Tapos si Henry Walker, nakikita ko hindi siya ganun ka-kondisyon. I mean, don't get me wrong, sobrang scorer pa rin to, sobrang maganda dumipensa and all, pero it's not like the Henry Walker that we know before. So my pick on this one, it will be Meralco Bolts winning the game. Now considering yung yung minus or yung spread, minus 5.5. Yes, I'm giving it a go. Meralco Bolts, minus 5.5. Bolts, minus 5.5. Peace out, Pasay love, and God bless.